Listen, I've been down this rabbit hole before.
You see those adorable little boxes online, barely bigger than a sandwich, and think, wow, I could have a whole computer that fits in my pocket. Then you drop a few $100 and 3 months later, it's collecting dust on your shelf. Let me tell you why.
First off, these things are thermal nightmares.
Physics doesn't care how cute your computer is.
When manufacturers cram high-performance components into tiny spaces, something has got to give. And that something is your CPU throttling harder than a car with the parking brake on.
You'll be working away when suddenly everything freezes because your processor hit 95 degrees Celsius and decided to take a breather. Fun times. The upgrade path? Non-existent. Got a mini PC with 8 gigabytes RAM and feeling the pain? Too bad. Most of these systems have everything soldered to the motherboard. Want a better GPU?
Sorry, you're buying a whole new system.
It's like buying a car where you can't even change the tires. And don't get me started on the ports. We included one whole USB port. Aren't we generous? Great, now I need a USB hub just to connect my basic peripherals. Oh, and that proprietary power brick. Better not lose it, because replacements cost almost as much as the computer itself.
The performance to price ratio is laughable.
For what you pay for a decent mini PC, you could build a mid-tower system that absolutely smokes it. Sure, it takes up more space, but at least it won't thermal throttle when you open more than 3 Chrome tabs. Look, I get the appeal. They're portable, they look cool on your desk, and they don't take up much space. But unless you're using it for extremely basic tasks or as a media server tucked away somewhere, you're going to be disappointed? Trust me, I've been there, done that, and have the expensive paperweights to prove it. Save yourself the heartache and just build a proper PC. Your future self will thank you when you're not rage quitting because your computer decided to take a siesta in the middle of your Zoom call.